So today we're going to take a look at how you can make animated cinematic black bars within Premiere Pro. We've already done a tutorial on the channel, if you've already seen that one, about making just static black bars, but we'll show you today how you can animate that. But if you haven't watched the other video, I'm going to show you how to do it anyways. So you want to go to your project section, typically it's in the bottom left of your Premiere Pro file. Click New Item, then just click Adjustment Layer. This is just in case you have it over several different clips. It's a good way to cover them all. So we're just going to stretch this to the end of our clip here. Once we've done that, we want to go to Effects. And we're just going to type in Crop. Once we've found Crop, just drag that onto our adjustment layer. Now we want to make sure we're clicked on our adjustment layer and we want to scroll down. And you're going to see we're going to want to use top and bottom crop. We're just going to make sure our play header is at the back at the start of the video. So we're just going to click the little stopwatch toggle animation on top, and on bottom we're just going to drag it a little bit forwards. That'll do for me. And we're just going to type in 20% in the top, and we want to make it equal, so we want to put 20% on the bottom. Now if we take that back to the beginning and hit play, you're going to see there our black bars fade in. So that's how you animate cinematic black bars in Premiere Pro. Hope you found that useful. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.